Rafi the Rooster and the Morning Crown. Confidence, the shine you find when you care. Inspired by the truth. When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, you do good. Georges St-Pierre, Canadian athlete and world champion fighter. Did you know? Roosters aren't just noisy birds. Their colorful feathers and tall red combs help them show health and confidence. When a rooster struts proudly, it isn't just for others. It's his way of saying, I feel good about myself today. Chapter 1. The Messy Rooster. Rafi the Rooster was famous for his morning call.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
He crowed. But his feathers, always ruffled. His comb flopped to the side. The ducklings giggled.
Rafi looks like a broom.
The goats teased.
You're loud, but not shiny at all.
Rafi blushed.
Maybe. Looking good doesn't matter. At least I can still crow.
Chapter 2. The Farmer's Mirror. One afternoon, Rafi found an old mirror in the barn. He peeked in and sighed.
Oh, no wonder they laugh.
Just then, the wind rustled the hay and the mirror whispered,
Little rooster, when you care for yourself, your light shines brighter than the sun.
Rafi tilted his head.
Shine? Me?
Fix my hair, smile today, little glow lights my way. Step by step, feeling new, love myself, it's so true. Bit by bit I start to see, love myself, it sets me free. Not for them, just for me, shining bright my melody.
The mirror chuckled softly.
Try it. Comb your crown, smooth your wings. You'll see.
Chapter 3. The First Try. The next morning, Rafi took a deep breath. He shook his feathers, straightened his comb, and puffed his chest. He looked at the rising sun and sang. The animals gasped. Duckling.
Whoa, he's glowing.
Goat.
Is that really Rafi?
Rafi smiled shyly.
I guess. This is the real me.
Yo, yo, hey, ring baby, what's wrong with me? Shine so bright, I feel so free. Looking in the mirror, what do I see? A brighter light, yes, it's finally me.
Chapter 4. The Parade of Feathers. Soon, all the animals wanted to join. The cows polished their horns, the sheep fluffed their wool. Even the piglets rolled in clean straw to look fresh.
Rafi started it.
They cheered.
Dancing free in morning light, colors glow, it feels so right. Every step my spirit flies, stronger wings beneath the sky. Bit by bit I start to see, love myself, it sets me free. Not for them, just for me, shining bright my melody. Bit by bit the feeling grows, like my crown the sunlight shows. Not for others, just for me, love's the crown that sets me free.
But Rafi shook his head gently.
No, friends. I just learned that when I care for myself, my voice gets stronger. My heart feels happier. You can do it too.
Chapter 5. The Morning Crown. From that day, Rafi became more than just the rooster who woke the sun. He became the rooster who reminded everyone.
Your crown is not just on your head. It's in how you care for yourself.
Oh baby, love me now. Shine so sweet, I'll show you how. Love me every day. Love me this sweet. Love me
across the farm.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
And every time the sunrise seemed to sparkle just a little brighter. The end. Dear little dreamer, do you like this story? This tale teaches us a little self-care can make a big difference. Confidence doesn't mean being flashy. It means being proud of who you are. When you shine for yourself, you light up the world for others too. Let's wonder together. Have you ever fixed your hair or clothes and suddenly felt happier? Why do you think Rafi's crow sounded stronger when he cared for himself? What's one small thing you could do today to love yourself more? Word of the day. Groom. Groom, groom, groom. Let's say it slowly together. G-R-O-O-M. Groom. Definition: to clean and make yourself neat. Simple meaning: to brush, tidy, or take care of your looks. Example: Rafi groomed his feathers and looked bright and proud. Easy sentence. I groom myself every morning to feel fresh and happy. Remember this word, little friends. Try using it in a sentence next time. See you later, magical star.